And we're back with a slight update or roadblock, I guess, for the CRF450 reliability project. So in inspecting this transmission, I got a little closer and noticed some of the teeth have flaking off of the face. So with that being said, I had to order some gears for it, and it's going to be about a week before I can get this transmission put back together. And like I said, not pretty. I did not want to put this back together with that in here. And not all of them are like that. So I ordered what I could so I can get them replaced. And the shafts look fine, but the gears look like they're a little toast. So I went ahead and ordered some gears. And like I said, it's gonna be about a week before those things get here. So this project was on a roll until it got derailed. So anyway, have some new parts getting ready to go in. Still got to order some other ones. Got to get the cases cleaned up. I mean, they're not bad, but we'll see if I can get them cleaned up a little bit better. I'm also thinking about replacing this clutch basket with a aftermarket one. Haven't decided which one yet. I thought about running the Momentum style steel basket to try to give it a little bit more, trail friendliness and to last longer. So anyway, let me know if you think I should pick up one of those, or if somebody has one they'd be willing to part with, it's in really good shape. I'd be interested possibly. So anyway, just got a lot of stuff. Another project. Don't worry guys, this one is going to happen a lot faster than that one. That's the CRF450 chassis with the 400EX quad motor. I call it my XR400AF. Anyway, that one I was working on for 8 years. So this one is making a whole lot more progress than that one. And anyway, here's the chassis. There's just a 450. So anyway, we'll see if I can get that done. What a day. I love it when I get started on a project and get derailed by little small things. It's either that or waiting for parts. But not ranting, just explaining. Anyway, there you go. That's a small update for a little while.